In this video, I want to talk about how you can avoid getting scammed on AliExpress. Now, the first thing I suggest you do is you check the seller of the item that you want to buy. So if you click on any item, and once you're on the item, you can see who it's sold by, and you'll be able to see their ratings. So you can see for this one, it's above average for all of them, which is a really good sign. Then secondly, you can check when they opened. This one has been open for a little bit over a year, so that's not too old. I would recommend going for older ones, but this doesn't mean that it's a scam. Then what you can do is come down here and you can read the reviews. Make sure it has good reviews as well. You can see this one only has 7, but it's because it's a pretty new store, so doesn't exactly mean that it's a scam, but I would prefer going with something with a lot more reviews. Then also, you should never do any off-platform payments. If the seller asks you to pay off the platform, like PayPal them directly or something, it's most likely a scam. Now also, you should just reject any extra fees if they ask for any fees, like extra fees for shipping and this stuff. Don't give it to them unless it's already in the cart when you buy it. Now the last one is you can, if you have a really expensive one, when you unbox it at your home, you can record your unboxing. So you actually have evidence if something is broken and you want to refund it and stuff like this. So that's basically how that works, guys. I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.